Hi viewers, this is Madhu Dharmapuri. Welcome back to our channel, Passionate About Physics. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe it and watch the videos uploaded in this channel. So in this present lecture, I would like to explain you about refraction of light, which is one of the basic property of light. So the refraction of light is this. When a ray of light travels from one medium to another medium with or without bending, this phenomenon is called as refraction. So when a light ray is traveling from one medium to another medium, the light ray may bend or may not bend. So this is called refraction. So then in which case the light ray will bend and in which case the light ray will not bend, that we will see now. So in the following cases, the light ray will not bend. In the following cases. The first one is if the light ray is traveling along the direction of normal. So this is the normal and this is the interface separating two medias, medium 1 and medium 2. And light ray is traveling along this normal, which means that angle of incidence is equal to 0. We call this kind of incidence as normal incidence. So if the light ray is normally incident on the interface separating two media, the refraction happens, but the light ray would not bend after entering the other medium. And the second case where the light ray would not bend during refraction is if the light ray is traveling from one medium to another medium with same refractive index. So if this is mu1, if this is mu2, this is the normal. If mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu, then the light ray would not bend. It goes in straight line. So in these two cases, the light ray will not bend. Now we will see in which case the light ray will bend. The light ray will bend in the following cases. So let it be. So the first case would be light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium. What is rarer medium? It is a medium having lower refractive index, and denser medium is the medium having higher refractive index. So I am taking rarer medium with refractive index mu1 and denser medium with refractive index mu2, so that mu2 is greater than mu1. So if this is the case, this is the interface separating two medias with mu1 and mu2 refractive indices, and this is normal. And if the light ray is coming from rarer medium, this is rarer medium and this is denser medium, by making an angle of incidence I, then what would happen is this light ray would bend towards the normal, bends towards normal. Light ray bends towards normal in this case. So bending happens in this case when the light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, and bending is towards normal. And the second case where the bending happens during refraction is when light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium. Denser medium to rarer medium. So if this is the case, so I am taking this as again mu2 and this as mu1. So here it is mu2, here it is mu1. Now let me take it as this mu1 and this mu2. So in this case mu1 is greater than mu2. So here it is denser medium and here it is rarer medium. mu1 is greater than mu2. So if the light ray is coming from denser medium, by making an angle of incidence I with the normal, the light ray would bend away from the normal, bending light ray bends away from normal. Here R is greater than I, it is bending away from the normal. Here R is less than I. So in these two cases, the light ray will bend when it travels from one medium to another medium. The reason for bending towards normal in this case and bending away from the normal in this case is Snell's law, which is law of refraction. The Snell's law is actually mu1 sin I equal to mu2 sin R. This is Snell's law. If you rewrite this mu2 by mu1. So if mu2 is greater than mu1, then I should be greater than R. I should be greater than R. So similarly, here, if mu1 is greater than mu2, then R should be greater than I. R is greater than I means what? The light ray should bend away from the normal. Here, if R is less than I means what? The light ray should bend towards the normal. This can be understood by using this. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this.